everyone, I'm Quentin, sales staff from K-Hair. Today, let's spend a day with me to see how the follow of K-Hair factory is. Before getting to the detail, I need to confirm that K-Hair is a real hair factory. I see some misleading information which claim that K-Hair is from China or K-Hair is just a reselling company. But you can see I'm standing right here in front of K-Hair factory with the real manufacturing process. Let's follow me to see how the hair is processed.
First and foremost, this is the area where we handle the raw material. The hair is combed and selected one by one carefully to make sure all are qualified. And here are some tools we use to tie the hair. We use flat iron to chasten the hair totally with heat, ensuring a smooth and shiny texture after wax. This is where we dye the hair. Only hair with good quality are dyed into the correct colors. The wave is made here with shelving machines. Each wave bundle is 100 grams. The hair extensions are produced step by step meticulously. Therefore, the final products are really beautiful.
On my hand right now are 3 bundles of bone chest STD, natural black color, 26 inches. You can see it is really shiny and smooth. This is our curly hair. You see, it's really soft. We can do all texture of curl and waves that you prefer, even the customized ones. And last but not least, this is our color hair. Our color hair, which is real famous for its durability. Even when I wrap the hair like this, my hands are free of color. And that's a tour of K-Hair factory today. I hope through my tour today, you have to know that we are not Chinese company, we are not reselling company, and we are working try hard every day to ensure the best quality wholesale to customer. And if you exciting with the hair, you please contact with me via WhatsApp. Thank you for watching and goodbye.